Oh, the video started already? Welcome back, folks. It's your boy DCS right here on another video. So today we have a car from Matchbox. This is the 83 Buick Riviera Convertible. And today we are gonna unbox it. Okay, so let's start off with the intro. But before that, this is... How was the intro, guys? Comment it down below and definitely I'll comment back. Okay, guys, so moving on with the car today, but just one sec, guys. If you did like the intro, check out my previous video which I uploaded. It is the Toyota Innova, guys. It'll be up in the screen right here. I also made the intro on that too. So okay, guys, moving on. This is actually the 6th gen Buick Riviera and it's a pretty cool car, but yeah, the box is kind of destroyed, but yeah, I just ordered it from Amazon and this is how they give me the car. Anyways, the box doesn't matter. Okay, so it's moving parts, door openable car, pretty nice, I guess. So yeah, the car condition is pretty good, guys. Trust me, it is actually good. Anyways, let's just get on the unboxing right now. But wait, you didn't follow me on Instagram and Facebook? Do it now! And here we go. Okay, the box is actually beat up, so here comes the car. Oh, it has some extra layer packing. Okay, taking that out. The car is also out. Right, looking at the car, it is pretty good, guys. First look of the Buick. Alright, so yeah, trust me, the color is really nice. It has slightly glarish polish on it, but overall it's pretty good, guys. It's not as glossy and, you know, detailed as the Hotwheels, but yeah, it's actually better than that. Anyways, this is how the front looks. I think they have copied it from the Hotwheels because the lights aren't separated from the grille. It's all same color. So for a door openable car and with a price hike, I guess they should have detailed it a bit more. And it has a short axle, which I guess kind of gives into the realisticness. Good attention to detail, Matchbox. Anyway, this is how the interior looks. And the doors are also pretty nicely detailed, guys. I really like that. The interior is nice and retro. I hope you guys can see it, right? Yeah, it's really nice retro interior with those seats and all. And this is how it looks at the bottom. Yes, it's written 1983 Buick Riviera, made in Thailand. And this is actually the code for the car, MB1149. You can actually Google that. And here's the elephant logo. Just comment what's that elephant logo in the comment box. Just explain it to me, guys. I really don't know. Anyways, so this is how the back looks. The exhausts aren't coming out because of the bumper. Yeah, good attention to detail again. So yeah, the chrome lining all over the car, it's really good, but when it comes to the wheels, yeah, it's kind of different because the chrome doesn't match the wheels. So that's it, guys. The glass is pretty clear. Anyway, now let's go for the info. Okay, so the spotlight's on the Buick as it is the info, guys. So yeah, talking about the top speed of this car, it's actually ranging from 166 kilometers per hour to about 173 kilometers per hour. That's like 103 to 108, not much difference, but it is a Buick. And I totally forgot to tell you one more thing, guys. This car is actually, it only comes in front wheel drive variants. Ah, sad thing. Alright, going for the engine, guys. The engine, it is ranging from 3.8 liter, which is a Buick V6. That's actually a turbocharged engine that has more power. And then comes the 5.7 liter Oldsmobile V8, guys. That is a really good V8, but power is kind of less. Yeah, talking about the horsepower like that, the 5.7 liter produces 140 brake horsepower, and the 3.8 liter one, which is the turbocharged one, it is actually producing 185. That's more than the V8, guys, which is kind of shocking and surprising. So do let me know in the comments, like, which engine would you prefer. Alright guys, I'll see you all next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So stay tuned for my other videos, guys, like other unboxings. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Here we go. DCS out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.